Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. I'm Carol Lowe. I'm the Deca advisor here at East High School with Jeff Connor. And we just had a little bit of a Hershey State parent update for you. We've been receiving a couple questions, and I think that's all a sign of good news. I think that means that students and parents are very excited. So this is just going to be a quick little snippet for you of some different things that are coming up, just to let you know that we should be providing information to answer all of your questions and also all of our students' questions. We are in a little bit of a different situation this year because typically we only have a small percentage of students that have never attended the state conference before. And this year, due to COVID, we have a much larger percentage of kids that are going to be attending that state conference. So we are incredibly excited. We have 120 students that will be attending the state conference. Students are doing role plays and tests. Other kids are doing job interviews and public speaking. And we also have other students that are preparing projects at this time, which range from selling events to 10-page paper and also 20-page project management files. So we've got a lot of different stuff going on and a lot of excitement. So one of the first things that I want to address that might kind of ease your concern just a little bit is on February 2nd, we're going to offer a parent meeting that evening at 7 o'clock on Zoom. I will include it in this email so that we can answer all of your questions for you. We have a slideshow prepared and a handout that we go over. What we normally do is we normally say that that meeting is mandatory if you have never had a child attend states. So for example, we might have a freshman that is the oldest in the family. We would really ask that a parent attend that Zoom meeting so we can make sure you know every single thing inside and out. But on the flip side of it, I have several freshmen right now that older brothers and sisters have attended Deca States several times in the past, and those parents do not need to attend because other than a couple changes with a little COVID statement and then also a little bit of just kind of some updates and dates and things. Really, other than that, the trip is going to be very similar to what you're used to. But of course, everybody is welcome to tune in. Your children are going to receive the information in class, but they may also want to tune in as well and listen in the background. That's absolutely no problem. So mark that date on your calendar. That's going to be Wednesday, February 2nd. It'll be at 7 o'clock and it will be on Zoom so we can hopefully answer all of your questions that you might have. But here are other couple upcoming things that we have going on, and we can show you where your student can help you find them. So all of your children are a member of our Deca Schoology page. Actually, it's a Schoology course that they have to enroll in, but of course they are not getting a grade for that. It just provides a really awesome way that we can get all of this information to our students. So one of the most important things we have coming up is that a lot of our students are going to be taking their Deca State test here at East High School on Monday, January 24th during the school day. This has been sent to the teachers, it's been sent to the students multiple times, and there are posters in 3 different locations, as well as coming out on Schoology. The makeup date for that will be Thursday, January 27th, during the morning 2-hour delay time. So the child would actually have to come in early to make sure they can make up that test. In addition to that, in their folder, what you can also find that might be interesting to you, for our students that are doing test and role plays, there will be role play help starting on the 27th, and you can see that we've got 4 different dates that are here for them. That's going to be an after-school help session with Mr. Connor, myself, and then other Deca students that have done well on role plays. Moving on from there, we also have 3 freshmen that are completing the job interview or public speaking. They've already had 1 mandatory meeting on the 11th, and they have another one on January 25th. So there are 3 freshman boys that are going to be working in that, and they've already got off to a great start. And then we also have our other category that are our projects, and these are our written events. So for our projects, these students actually today have turned in their 10 or 20-page project that they're doing that will be uploaded by Friday. They also have another plan at this time to get their presentation together, and you can see on here that they need to have that done by February 1st to schedule a mandatory practice with Mr. Connor or I so we can make sure that they're all squared away and ready to go. So other than that, our most important upcoming dates that we have We have February 2nd for the meeting for parents, and then also January 24th, which is going to be the Deca exam for the students that need to take that. Some of your students actually don't need to do a test, especially because they're doing a project. If they have any questions, we're happy to help them out. All right, that's all we really had for you tonight. In the email, you're going to see the link for the Zoom session, and we're always happy to answer any questions that you may have. Take care, have a good night. Let us know if we can answer anything else for you. Take care.